Red dot sights have become ubiquitous in the contemporary firearms sector, and for newer shooters, it might be hard to imagine a time when they weren't a readily available accessory for rifles, pistols, and shotguns. Remarkably, red dot sights have a relatively short history, with their inception dating back to 1974 when Aimpoint introduced the first one to the market. Since then, the concept has gained widespread acceptance and is now experiencing a significant boom. In the current market, if you're in search of a red dot sight, there has never been a more opportune time to make a purchase. The market is brimming with options, and prices are continually becoming more competitive. The abundance of choices can be overwhelming, and doing your homework is essential to make an informed selection. To help ease the process, we curated the best red dot sights based on our extensive research and reviews to assist you in navigating this thriving market. Here goes our top recommendations. All product links are provided in the description below. 5. Holosun HS510C. The Holosun HS510C stands out as an exemplary sight, offering a combination of innovative features and reliable performance. With a 2 MOA dot nestled within a 65 MOA circle, available in both red and green display colors, this optic ensures a versatile aiming solution. Notably, the HS510C boasts an impressive runtime of 50,000 hours on a single battery, providing extended usability for users without the need for frequent battery changes. One standout feature of the HS510C is its shake-awake capability, instantly activating the unit when movement is detected. Additionally, the battery tray's strategic placement allows for convenient changes without the need to remove the optic, enhancing user-friendly operation. A notable advantage of the HS510C is its compatibility with night vision, offering 2 brightness settings specifically tailored for low-light scenarios. This versatility extends to its 10 daylight brightness setting, ensuring optimal performance in various lighting conditions. The inclusion of a 65 MOA circle, while enhancing target acquisition, comes with the caveat of faster battery drainage when utilized. One of the defining characteristics of the HS510C is its solar power backup, providing an added layer of reliability. Even if the batteries are completely depleted, the unit leverages solar power to maintain functionality, allowing users to consistently acquire their targets. Compact and lightweight, weighing just under 5 ounces, the HS510C is designed for practicality without sacrificing durability. Its height ensures an absolute co-witness with iron sights, catering to the preferences of different users. The construction, featuring aluminum and titanium components, strikes a balance between maximum durability and a lightweight form factor, ensuring a clear and distortion-free sight picture. The HS510C is parallax-free and incorporates multi-layer coatings for excellent light transmission and true color rendering. These coatings also contribute to reducing glare, enhancing the overall visual experience. In summary, the Holosun HS510C encapsulates a comprehensive package of features, blending technological innovation with practical design elements. 4. Vortex AMG Gen 2. The Vortex AMG Gen 2 is a commendable enhancement over its predecessor, the AMG Gen I, introducing notable improvements that elevate its performance. With parallax-free design, a substantial rear window surpassing the Gen I model, and a remarkable 15 different brightness levels for its 1 MOA dot, this red dot optic caters to the discerning needs of shooters seeking precision and adaptability. A key highlight of the Gen 2 model is its dedication to low-light scenarios, featuring a dedicated night vision button with 4 settings. This facilitates seamless transitions to night operations, providing users with enhanced versatility. Additionally, the FHQ, Fast Horizon Quick technology integrated into the design virtually eliminates stray light emissions, ensuring optimal stealth shooting capability. This makes the AMG Gen 2 offers convenience in setup and compatibility with various firearm platforms. The optic's interior is purged with argon, enhancing water and fog resistance to the highest level. The IPX8 rating further attests to its durability, guaranteeing survival during immersions or encounters with water. The red dot optic relies on a single CR123A battery, providing an impressive battery life of 1,500 hours, more than double that of comparable EOTech models. This extended battery life enhances its suitability for prolonged usage without frequent battery changes. Weighing in at 11.6 ounces, the AMG Gen 2 boasts a lightweight design without compromising on durability. Its construction includes multiple anti-reflective coatings on all air-to-glass surfaces, contributing to a clear and distortion-free sight picture. While acknowledging the exceptional features of the Vortex AMG UH1 Gen 2, it is essential to note that it comes with a higher price tag compared to some competing units. However, the investment is supported by the unmatched Vortex VIP lifetime warranty, underscoring the brand's commitment to customer satisfaction and product durability within the firearms community. In conclusion, the Vortex AMG UH1 Gen 2 stands as a superior holographic sight option, blending advanced technology with practical design elements. 3. Springfield Armory Hex Dragonfly. Crafted with precision and durability in mind, the Springfield Armory Hex Dragonfly is a formidable player in the reflex red dot sights market. Constructed from hardcoat anodized aluminum and featuring a scratch-resistant, anti-glare glass lens, this optic is built to withstand the rigors of the field while delivering rapid target acquisition and swift follow-up shots. The Dragonfly's adaptability is remarkable, seamlessly transitioning between pistols and long guns due to its lightweight and compact design. This versatility enhances its appeal to a broad spectrum of shooters seeking a reliable and adaptable optic for various firearms. The 3.5 MOA dot with manual brightness settings enhances target acquisition speed, and the consistency of the chosen brightness level upon reactivation contributes to a seamless shooting experience. The comprehensive package accompanying the Hex Dragonfly includes a Picatinny mount, hex and Torx wrenches, a sealing plate, 3 sets of screws, and a CR2032 battery. Springfield Armory's attention to detail is evident, catering to the needs of shooters and ensuring a hassle-free setup. While Springfield Armory may be considered a newcomer to the optics market, the Hex Dragonfly's compatibility with popular reflex sights, coupled with its exceptional performance, positions it as a promising contender. Time will unveil its endurance and acceptance among shooters, but its current attributes make it a top-tier optic combining rugged durability with precision performance, earning its place as an excellent choice for discerning firearm enthusiasts. 2. Sig Sauer ROMEO5. Weighing a mere 5.1 ounces and equipped with a 2 MOA dot, the Sig Sauer ROMEO5 is a lightweight yet feature-rich red dot sight, surpassing expectations for its size and price point. Tailored for versatility, this optic is not just an ordinary addition to your arsenal. It is a compact powerhouse suitable for ARs, shotguns, or carbine. While it may not be the most budget-friendly option available, the Sig Sauer ROMEO5 more than justifies its price with a host of valuable features. Included in its package are a low-mount riser and a co-witness height 1.41 inches riser, accommodating various platforms and ensuring a customized fit for your preferences. The red dot sensor of the ROMEO5 is a testament to its adaptability, automatically adjusting to ambient lighting conditions. However, users maintain full control over adjustments, allowing for a personalized shooting experience. Adding to its user-friendly design is the motion-activated illumination feature, which powers the optic on and off based on detected motion, conserving battery life and ensuring optimal readiness during use. Speaking of battery life, the ROMEO5 boasts an impressive 40,000 hours of continuous operation, providing extended reliability in the field. Changing the side-loading CR2032 battery is a hassle-free process, eliminating the need to remove the optic for replacement, ensuring minimal disruption to your shooting activity. The ROMEO5 is rated IPX7, offering protection against immersion up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. This robust construction ensures the optic's resilience against the elements, instilling confidence in its performance under various weather conditions. 1. Aimpoint PRO. The Aimpoint Patrol Rifle Optic Pro is a testament to Aimpoint's pioneering legacy in the realm of red dot sights. This optic, boasting a remarkable 30,000 hours of battery life, proves to be a stalwart companion for both law enforcement professionals and enthusiasts engaging in recreational activities at the range or in the field. Crafted to endure the demanding conditions of law enforcement use, the Pro is equipped with a robust, hard anodized, high-strength aluminum housing. This construction not only provides exceptional vibration and shock resistance, but also allows the optic to remain fully functional even when submerged up to 150 feet underwater. Powering the Aimpoint PRO is a single DL1/3N battery, harnessed with ACET technology. This technological marvel ensures over 3 years of continuous usage at daylight position 7, with an even more extended lifespan when operating in night vision settings. Such longevity makes the Aimpoint PRO a reliable choice for prolonged missions or extended periods in the field. The 2 MOA dot featured in this optic enhances target acquisition speed, catering to the need for swift and precise aiming. With 10 brightness settings at your disposal, 6 tailored for daylight conditions and 4 optimized for night vision, the Aimpoint PRO adapts seamlessly to varying environmental conditions, ensuring optimal visibility in any scenario. Moreover, the Aimpoint PRO proves its versatility by being operational parallax-free, irrespective of the angle at which the user's eye is positioned in relation to the sight. This feature significantly contributes to the user's ability to achieve first-round hits with heightened confidence. Facilitating ease of use, the Aimpoint PRO comes complete with a mount and spacer, eliminating the need for additional tools during attachment to a Picatinny rail. It is worth noting that the Pro exhibits compatibility exclusively with Aimpoint magnifier, an aspect to consider when configuring your optic system. In summary, the Aimpoint Patrol Rifle optic amalgamates durability, cutting-edge technology, and user-friendly features, embodying the pinnacle of red dot sight performance for those seeking reliability and precision in their shooting experience. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.